For all of your air conditioning, heating, and ventilation system needs, Cooling FX is the only name you need to know. We're a fully licensed and insured air conditioning and heating company with over 15 years of experience servicing, installing, maintaining, and repairing air conditioning, heating, and ventilation systems throughout South Florida. And we also clean air ducts and dryer vents. We're at the ready to provide you with the best service in the industry. So let our expert technicians inspect your equipment to ensure that it is functioning effectively and efficiently. Cooling FX, where honesty, integrity, reliability, and top quality customer service come standard. Contact us today.